followed Lydia back to the Whisperer's camp. Henry followed Lydia back to the Whisperer's camp. Henry became interested in Lydia. Henry became interested in Lydia. Henry moved to Hilltop to learn to be a blacksmith. Carl and Henry both got into some trouble with the law. Carl and Henry both got into some trouble with the law. Henry and Carl's violent tendencies appeared at an early age.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.